We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
So first we discuss who is Guru. Okay, Guru is a spiritual guide who is considered to have attained complete insight. Okay, in other words, a good person, a wise person, and a teacher. Quality Guru should be all of this, plus have a good concept, approach to quality within the business that has made a major and long-lasting impact is called the Guru. Okay. Okay. Next, quality Guru. As earlier told you, there are plenty of quality Guru. In today, here we discuss total 8 quality Gurus. In that we discuss only 3. Okay. See one by one. The first quality Guru is Edward Deming. Okay. Second, Joseph Juran. Third, Philip Crosby. Fourth, William Feigbong. Koru Ishikawa. Next, David Garvin. 7, Shigeo Shingo. And last, Jinish Taguchi. Okay. There are all the 8 gurus is basically they define the different concept. The concept is same, TQM, total quality management. But all the quality gurus, they define the difference and they are different opinion. So let's see, the first we discuss Edward Deming. Okay, this is Edward Deming. Okay, and Edward Deming is a father of the Japanese post-war industrial revival. And basically in United States, and his passed in 1993. Okay, in Edward Deming, mostly the United States of America, they maximum utilized during the World War II. Main purpose improve the quality of the war material. He got the PhD in the States in physics and maths. They get his first employment chance in electricity company in Chicago. He taught physics, mathematics, statistics, quality in Japan. Okay, the main purpose, the Deming, is known as a management philosophy and quality. Also, they improve the productivity and competitive position. Okay, basically the Deming focus on the 5 most important idea. The most important idea, we can say the first, SPC, statistical process controlling. Second, Deming philosophy. Third, 14 principle, the most and widely used, the 14 principle of Deming. And fourth, Deming cycle. This is the cycle like PDCA cycle is also called as a PDCA, Plan Do Check Act, or we can say Plan Do Study Act. So the 4 main purpose, the Deming cycle is to continuous improvement. And the 5th one is 7 deadly diseases of quality. So first we discuss the SPC. The main purpose of SPC is to achieve the good quality. Achieve the good quality means when we manufacturing the product, at that time SP is most important phenomena. To control the quality means achieve the good quality without defect. They also define the example why salesman cannot sell the same amount in every month. Okay, they define one by one. They discover analyzing this item like first, common causes, special causes, natural variation, or significance different variation. The first common causes means it depends on the machine fail. If machine fail, the quality, we cannot achieve the quality. In special causes not inherent to the process and should be defined such a poor performance, sorry. Third, natural variation. Natural variation means producing certain amount of defect. The natural variation means it depends on the material. Sometimes material is inside the maybe crack or maybe defect, etc. So it's a natural variation. And fourth, significant different variation means discovering exactly where it's by management. Okay. The Deming said the 80% depends on the management and 20% depends on the employee. This is the thumb rule for the Edward Deming. They define they depends on the management and depends on the employee. Means 80-20 rules. It's just like a Pareto analysis. Second, Deming philosophy. The Deming philosophy is nothing but it depends on the productivity. Means the quality and the productivity if increase, when increase, when the process fluctuation decrease. This is simple philosophy. Third, Deming 14 principle. Most important is the 14 principle. We discuss one by one. First, create consistency of purpose. Adapt a new philosophy. This depends on the inspection for quality and protective avoiding of business based on price alone. Improve every process constantly or forever. Institute training. Adopt and institute leadership. Drive out fear. Break barriers between staff areas. Eliminate slogan, exhaustion and target. Eliminate numerical costs. Remove barriers that rob pride of workmanship. Institute program for education and self-improvement. Last, put everybody in the common to work for this transformation. Okay, so here there are 14 principles of Deming. Here we discuss only first few of. The first is a create a consistency purpose. Means we can say define the problem of today and future. Like create consistency of the purpose means define the problem for today and future. Other example we can say allocate resource for a long-term planning. Okay, the allocation resource for the long-term planning. And second one, allocate resource for research and education. We can also utilize in the research as well as in education. Okay, second principle, adopt a new philosophy. Okay, adapt the new philosophy means it depends on the basically it depends on the quality cost. The quality cost less, not more. Or second, we can say the call for major changes. Other thing, superstitious learning, etc. Okay, in the next, this depends on inspection for quality. Okay, is also is most important phenomena. In that, quality does not come from the inspection. Okay, so most important in manufacturing section. Okay, in quality department, the quality does not come from the inspection. Mass inspection is unreliable, cost and ineffective. Okay, when we produce mass production, inspector fail to agree with each other. Inspection should be used to collect data for a process control. Means in that the mass production is unreliable means when we produce mass production is not necessary to we have to inspect each and every product. So in that we have to use SQC, statistical quality control. Okay. So the next we discuss fourth, Deming cycle. The Deming cycle is nothing but is a PDCA, plan, do, check, act. Okay, plan means what is needed, and what is needed means suppose when we produce the one product, at that time we have to plan from start to end. Means how to material, when to material you have to produce, etc., etc. Similarly, do it. Do it means which operation or which process we have to use, which machine we have to use. Is called the do it. Second, check, that is works. Act means to correct any problem or improve the performance. Okay, and this is the 7 deadly diseases of the quality: lack of consistency of purpose, emphasis on short-term profit, evaluation of performance, merit rating and annual review, etc. Okay, now we go for the second quality guru, Joseph Juran. Okay, Joseph Juran, they define fitness for purpose. Okay. Joseph Juran is an international acclaimed quality guru, is similar to Edward Deming. Both are same, both concepts are same, Edward Deming as well as Joseph Juran. The Joseph Juran says the strongly influencing Japanese manufacturing practice. They define, Joseph Juran define quality means fitness for purpose or fitness for use. Also, the Joseph Juran believed that quality does not happen by accident. Okay. The Joseph Juran, there are 7 ideas: quality definition, breakthrough concept, internal customer, quality trilogy, Pareto analysis, cost of quality, and quality concept. Okay, as earlier told you, quality defined, quality means fitness for purpose or fitness for use. Means what is the real purpose? Our customer, internal, external users, who are the possible customers? Okay. Second, breakthrough. Breakthrough means it depends on the sequence of the process improvement. It basically depends on a 2 journey from symptoms to causes, and second, journey from causes to remedies. And third is internal customer. Okay, in internal customers basically is what happen. Sometimes customer may be satisfied or sometimes maybe customers dissatisfied. So internal customers depends on the satisfaction and dissatisfaction. In satisfaction means occurs when the product has superior performance and features, is a satisfaction. If the customer is satisfied, then say the product has superior performance and feature. And when you have a defect and some problem, at that time customer is not satisfied, means this is dissatisfaction. Also, the customer satisfaction has a 2 dimension, internal and external. The internal means building the product of the superior service correctly, and external means all the requirements should be matching. And fourth is quality counsel. Okay, this depends on the expert. Okay, next we discuss Juran quality cost. There are many costs, depends on the quality cost, like appraisal cost, prevention cost, failure cost, internal failure cost, external failure cost, etc. Okay, the first, appraisal cost, means it depends on the inspection. Cost of activity designed to ensure the quality or uncover defect. Uncover defect means inspection. Prevention cost, all total quality trainings and total quality plannings to prevent the defect from occurring. Next, failure cost. Okay, failure cost is also most important parameters in industry. It depends on the defective parts or product. Cost incurred by defective parts or product. Okay. Third quality gurus, Taguchi contribution. Taguchi defined the DOE. Okay. In the early 1980s, Professor Junichi Taguchi introduced the DOE. DOE stands means design of experiment. Okay. Design a product or process robust to environmental condition. Okay. Second, robust to components variation. And third, minimizing the variation around the target value. Okay. Robust means product or process, depends on the product and process, means performance of the process and product. Okay. The Taguchi philosophy basically depends on the 3 stages. Okay. The first is a system design. The system design means use a scientific and engineering principle to determine the basic configuration. Second, parameter design, okay, is the most important factors when we produce the product. We can see the parameter design means, suppose we have to, our main purpose to, what about the surface roughness value? So how to increase the accuracy in surface roughness depends on this parameter design. In parameter design is which parameter we have to use, like depth of cut, speed, feed, force, etc. Also it depends on the material. Okay, is the most important parameter design. Means there is a specific value for the system parameters are determined. And the last one is tolerance design. Okay, the tolerance design is also important. It depends on the value of alpha. Tolerance means alpha value. Determine the base tolerance for the parameters. Okay. He also recommended the statistical experimental design method have to be used for the quality improvement. The Taguchi, they define orthogonal array L9. Okay, the L9 is nothing but when we suppose if we choose 3⁻³ parameters, means 3 parameters in 3 levels. So total we have to perform 3⁻³ means 3 into 3 into 3 means total we have to perform the 27 experiment. If we use the Taguchi philosophy means DOE, so we have only performed the 9 experiment. It's called the L9 orthogonal array. So we have to use only 9 experiment. Key components. The key component means reduce the variability around the target. Means all the values should be nominal value. Okay, in that there are some internal benefit and some external benefit. Okay, so first we discuss the internal benefit. Internal benefit: reduce cost, increases dependability, increase speed, boost morale, increase customer retention, increase profit. This is a simple internal benefit. Okay. Second, external benefit. So in external benefit, first is a customer get correct product or service is most important. The customer get the correct product or services. Second, correct specification, appropriate intangibles. Customer satisfaction is the most important parameters or most important benefit as external. Customers should be satisfied is the most important parameter. And the last, customer retention. Okay, and there are some drawbacks. Long way to establish into organization. It's very difficult to perform the long way. QM design not always fit for the purpose. Sometimes loss of cost effectiveness. Substantial effort, maintain system otherwise rejected. Means if you not follow the system, means we cannot maintain the systems, then we definitely, our product should be rejected. Okay, thank you everyone. For any query and suggestion, please contact me on this number, and also you can contact me via email. Thank you, thank you, thank you.